When you see Dangote controlling our fuel, controlling our gas, controlling our cement, even sugar, no say no be today start. It started when competition was murdered in Nigeria in the early year 2000. There is a man named Ibeto. This man built a cement company that shocked the whole market. This man's cement they very stronger and cheaper. When other people they sell 1,000, Ibeto they sell you for 600 naira. Because Ibeto believes say no matter how poor you dey, in as far you are a Nigerian citizen, you suppose feel afford to build your own personal house. But little did we know that this price that Ibeto they drop down to make sure say every individual for Nigeria fit afford cement. We know that this thing they step on some people's toes, because suddenly under Obasanjo administration, Ibeto company was shut down. They shut her down. Now their power flex muscle to will the citizen. Now they go so. Now, una know the reason why they take down his license. They say policy valuation. Hey, now know the policy valuation. Let me explain. Back then, Obasanjo brought a new rule called the backward integration policy. Meaning, from now on, if you want to sell cement in Nigeria, you must build your factory inside Nigeria. Looking at it, it's a very good idea. It's not a bad idea, because we all need local production. I mean, we help the economic growth. But this is where the game changed. Now, Dangote, more than not forget, he already they build the biggest factory in a place like Obajana, Igbo, and some other places like that. Meanwhile, Ibeto was still using what we call baggy terminal. He will import the raw cement, refine it in Nigeria here, bag it, and sell it cheaper to the people. Then our Oga will be say, if they locally they produce and here, Yoko they more expensive than person will be say if they import from abroad. Anyway, he get where we they go. So when this new policy came, it suddenly made Ibeto business illegal overnight. Mind you, not everybody factory was ready then. No. Some was importing cement just like Ibeto. So why Ibeto called it different? Because Ibeto, no one follow the instruction when other big marketers they give her. So from there, they show Ibeto say they are the high and mighty of this country. Now they hold this country for hand. Now people can begin they ask, was it really about policy or about power? Because the man where this policy favor the most, now Dangote. Now here's the truth. I wish Ibeto, as Dangote they sell 1,000, Ibeto take you to 1,005. Here Dangote they will be best of friends. But Ibeto look say no, they don't do things like that. That is the problem of Ibeto. So Ibeto downfall today is not just because Ibeto want to fall. Ibeto fall because of you and I.